In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to highlight text in Adobe Illustrator the right way, without outlining your text and without destroying editability. This is a clean, professional method that keeps your text fully editable while adding a customizable highlight behind it. If you've ever tried drawing rectangles manually behind text and struggled to align everything perfectly, this technique will save you a lot of time. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and tricks. Alright, let's jump straight into Illustrator. The first thing you need to do is select your live text. This is very important. Make sure you do not outline the text. Do not convert it to shapes. Keep it fully editable. You can create a new text box using the Type tool or click on existing text in your document. As long as it's live text, you're good to go. With your text selected, go to the top menu and click on Window, then choose Appearance. This will open the Appearance panel. If it's already open, you can just bring it into view. The Appearance panel is where the magic happens because it allows us to add additional fills and effects directly to the text object. Now look at the bottom of the Appearance panel. You'll see a button called Add New Fill. Click on Add New Fill. You won't notice much change yet, and that's normal. What Illustrator has done is add a second fill on top of your text. Next, you need to drag this new fill below the characters layer in the Appearance panel. This step is crucial. By placing the fill underneath the characters, you're telling Illustrator to render that fill behind the text instead of on top of it. Once you move it below characters, we can turn it into a highlight shape. Make sure that new fill is selected in the Appearance panel. With it selected, click on the FX button at the bottom of the panel. From the drop-down menu, go to Convert to Shape and then choose Rectangle. A dialog box will appear with shape options. Here, you can control how large the highlight appears behind your text. You'll see options for extra width and extra height. This is where you adjust the padding around your text. Increase the extra width to add space on the left and right. Increase the extra height to add space above and below the text. Adjust these values until the rectangle looks like a proper highlight behind your words. Because this is tied directly to your live text, the highlight will automatically resize if you edit the text, change the font, or adjust the size. That's what makes this method so powerful compared to manually drawing a rectangle. Now let's set the highlight color. With that same fill still selected in the Appearance panel, simply choose a fill color from your swatches panel or the color panel. Pick any color you want for your highlight. You can go with a traditional yellow, a soft pastel, or even a bold brand color. The text color itself remains controlled by the characters fill above, so you can style both independently. And just like that, you've created a fully editable text highlight in Illustrator. You can double-click your text and change the wording, font, or size, and the highlight will automatically adapt. No outlining, no extra shapes, and no alignment headaches. This technique is perfect for social media graphics, presentations, thumbnails, posters, and branding projects where flexibility is important. If you ever need to adjust the padding later, just return to the Appearance panel, click on the rectangle effect under that fill, and tweak the extra width and extra height values again. That's it. That's how you highlight text in Illustrator the professional way, while keeping everything editable. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Illustrator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.